So here's something different. It's a railway. Don't think it gets much used looking at the track. But anyway, this is Elmham railway bridge. And we're going to find our way down there somehow. There's a nice bit of river though, a bit of habitat, a bit of a lovely corridor. Found Sprint here in 2009. I used to play on the railways when the railway tracks near my home in Elmham when I was a kid. It's all very familiar. Climbing around on these structures. Still alive to tell the tale. A bit of a drop. On my posterior jump. Looks like it's used. A badger, I guess, really. And other mammals. Right. Not otter. Friendly under the bridge, but I did find Sprint, I can't remember where. Something just down there. I think it's just leaves. Where did I find it? Get up and try the other side. There is a dry span. I think I'll go back up and have a look. Look out for the overhead railing. Ow. Oh dear, it's all nettles. So not. Whoops. Right, well that was a bit wild chase, so I've got to get back up now and on. There's a footbridge over there. Let's go and have a look over there. The banks look pretty much tall herb and reed fen over there. Best bet is the wooded bit. Find that footbridge. Oh yeah, that's what I remember as a kid on the railway lines. Glad to see it again. Is toad flax. Seems to like the habitat. One of my favourite wildflowers. White dead nettle. Lamium album. Very nice. Railway sleeper. Footbridge. Can we get under it? Tricky. It's looking promising. Let's just check that side first. It's a confluence with the river, so the sort of places that Otter like to hang out. There's some old sprain. That's crayfish menu. Just have a look over the other side. If not, go back to that one and that's a record. Anyway. Corn on the cob. How many badgers had that one? I just like to get up into these sort of loftier vaults. So let's just have a look up there. No. Nope. Not that I can see. I'm not going to climb. Oh, there's some sprint there. Next to the leaf, yeah. That's old sprint. Anyway, I'm going to put this down as a record. It's at the confluence by the railway bridge. And that's good enough for me. Just a choice of whether I have the fish menu or the crayfish menu. I think I'll take the crayfish menu. There we go. River's just there.